Hi, I'm Buster with A&B Wood Products. Due to the holidays, life, work, haven't had a video out for a little bit. We needed some of this blue pine for a guy's order, so I've already cut it up. So today we're just going to go ahead and take a look at it. Not going to show any of the sawing because I had to get it done. So we're going to go through and start looking at it. Got one piece laying over here already.
Well, not only that, we were waiting on blades as well. Who is the hat winner from the last week?
I'll screw up the pronunciation. I know it. Okinawa Sawmill, I think. I can't quite pronounce it right. A gentleman out of Canada who runs a Matt Cremona saw that he built, and he has a channel, and he was the one who got picked out of the comments on the last video, so we are reaching out to him. Going to be sending him a hat.
So if you're listening to this, we do need to know what the address that you want us to send that to. So if you can leave us a message and just leave us your address, that would help a lot. Okay.
All the starlings are moving in again.
Yep.
Yeah, we got first slab laying down here. Quite a bit of color in this.
And this is due to what now?
Beetle Kill. That's what all the little holes are about. This was a Beetle Kill pine. And I'm not sure if it's a tree reaction or
it's a chemical reaction
from the Beetles.
It's a chemical reaction from the Beetles.
It's from the Beetles? Okay.
That's what Sean was telling me.
Yeah.
And I guess the lady beetles put something off, and then the male beetles come in and eat something. I don't know, but it's a chemical reaction thing.
Yeah, all I know is that the coloration is caused by the beetles that end up killing the tree. As you can see, there is a lot of holes in it, but there is a lot of color showing up in it too. Ugh.
Yeah, so sorry we couldn't show you cutting on this one. We did get all our saw blades, so we got 3 boxes of them, so we shouldn't run out of those for a while. We're going to show you a black walnut too, but yeah, we got to get a better blade than what we got, because that thing's solid.
Yeah, we were going to cut, I started to cut this black walnut, and it has been down for years and is real dry, real hard. And I ran through a ceramic insulator.
But it's going to be pretty wood.
So that destroyed our carbide blade.
It's going to be pretty wood though.
So now we're waiting on a new resaw blade so we can cut the dry wood.
So once we get that blade, it's on order. Then we'll cut this one up for you guys and show it to you.
It does have some nice figures showing up in it.
Where's that one that that part was in it?
Oh, I sent it back to Sean already.
But anyways, let me get on the other side of you real quick. We at least wanted to show you all this stuff before Sean comes and takes this stuff away. It's pretty interesting how these beetles did all that. And it don't seem like they really damaged the wood. I mean,
well, once you get in further, there really isn't a whole lot for holes.
But even at that, it still didn't damage the wood like that.
Well, maybe it was mostly the other side without holes, because it still has holes showing up. So maybe they were mostly in one side of the tree. Things are getting heavier.
Well, guys, if we had a break in this, I'm sorry. So you probably missed a bunch of conversation. I had a phone call, and then my phone decided just to shut off. But anyway, if you hadn't heard it, this came from a private individual's land. But if you just get it in the forest, then you gotta actually get a permit. But if it's on a private land, you do not. I don't know how much you guys heard or anything, but we're back to at least showing you what this wood looks like. And again, sorry guys, we didn't do any cutting now that we've got plenty of saw blades now. We will definitely, guys, show you guys more cutting. And hopefully our whole conversation was just not deleted. We haven't been very good lucky lately with videotaping stuff, have we? Danny wonders why he's always hurting. He only has 4 massages left. And no more money for him. And remember, guys, some of the wood that we're cutting is for sale. We're actually supposed to get a piece of this too, and it will be for sale. So, if you guys are interested in any of this wood that we got, give us a call, 208-447-9691, and we can definitely hook you guys up with wood. We are a really good price, so a lot more reasonable than most. Or if you guys need something cut up, give us a call.
Showing some
Yeah. Some of the red's coming through finally. It's very interesting. I want that piece. Or this piece. So for my piece, I get one of the big middle pieces with the red. Okay? You gotta tell me we want one of the big middle pieces. These would make some really pretty tables. Big old tables or countertops or all sorts of stuff. These bad boys will definitely do the trick. How long has it been down for?
I do not know.
Was it wet or dry?
Pretty dry. It's most of the way dry. Yeah, very little sap when I was cutting it.
Yeah, I was noticing that too. I was like, are you sure this is fine? And I wasn't seeing any sap. I thought all pine got a lot of sap.
Yeah, just been down long enough to dry out. Yeah, still has some of the red showing.
Not very much. The other one had more red.
Yeah. Well, the end down here showing more red.
Seemed like part of the one side was a lot more red than this side is.
Yeah, next piece has more red showing on the ends.
Like my nails? I just did my nails. Thought you guys needed to see my nails. Oh, sorry. It's a woodworking show. Sorry. Oh, there's no red up there. Ain't I a funny individual, baby?
Yes, yes.
Uh-oh.
Legend in your own mind.
That's interesting. How the branches are coming up right there. That's neat.
Yeah, well, the pith runs up through this slab.
Huh. That is neat. I like that right there.
Well, at least the pith is on that end inside the slab. Yeah, it angled up just a little bit, and it's in that slab on this one. So these two split the pith.
I do. Pitch the pith. I was just thinking of something that rhymed with pitch or pith. Ooh, there's some red. I would say that's the piece I want, but I don't think Sean will let me have it. pretty piece. That's a really pretty piece.
Toss that one down.
He's got to be cleaning up his mess. He's a very messy individual.
Clean that up. Clean that up.
Oh, that's a pretty one. That's a pretty piece, huh?
Already filled up 4 garbage cans again this week.
That's for sure. He does do a lot of stuff out here.
Yeah, still got a few leaves left on the tree.
No, not too many. Not too many left.
How many leaves between that tree and 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 that.
Yeah, but we're pretty much done now, right?
Yeah, pretty well on the downhill. I filled 4 more cans up today. Damn near 6 cans last week. Damn near 6 cans the week before. Finally on the downhill on the leaves.
Life of the Connells.
And come real soon, the leaves will come back.
They always do. They always do.
Well, at least we...
Yeah, that's pretty wood.
Got something for you to look at. Yeah, one of these days I got a little piece of walnut there. Still got that catalpa. Once I get a resaw blade, I can cut up that black walnut. Got a little piece of linden tree, another little piece of black walnut.
We just need to go down and get the big stuff.
Yeah. Then we got a piece of silver maple about this tall. Yeah.
We're going to have to go get that one.
It was 15,000 pounds when it got delivered. So,
but
it's a big piece of wood.
We're planning on doing that here shortly.
Yeah, and then this spring, Tim's supposed to be taking down his tree, about an 80-inch diameter silver maple. That's a big hunk of wood. So we'll probably be getting to cut that up this next spring sometime. Well, if you're in southwest Idaho and have a big log, we can cut it up for you. 208-447-9691.
And guys, I know I say this every time, but please like and share and subscribe. We need those subscribers, guys. And if you are the 1,000th, once we get to 1,000 subscribers, we're going to put all the subscribers that have left a message in a pot, and we're going to draw a name for a $500 gift card. So please, guys, like, comment, and most of all, subscribe. If it wasn't for you guys, we wouldn't be doing this. Thanks.
Thank you.